Hey guys, so I have a unboxing video for you today. I picked this up last night on my way home from work. Got this at Northern Tool and Equipment. It was on sale. It does say $2.29 up there, but I paid $1.99 for it. Plus I had a $20 off or $20 gift card coupon thing. So I got back 20 bucks in the form of a $20 gift card. So I think it was a pretty good deal considering the Ratchet by itself is either $89, or if you get it with the charger and battery, it's $129. Plus this comes with a second battery, the stick light, the voltage tester, and it all comes with a bag as well too. Yeah, I haven't opened this yet. I just got this home from the store last night. This is the following morning, and I am itching to get this thing open and see what's inside of here. So yeah, I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. So go ahead and pull this apart here. I'll show you the back here. So these are basic specs over here of the Ratchet voltage meter and flashlight set. Here's the actual part number from Milwaukee, 2457-21NTE. It does have a 5-year warranty on the actual tool, and there is a 2-year battery warranty as well, and a lifetime warranty on the LEDs that do all the lights. Another nice thing I saw about this is that it does use the M12 battery system, so there's a ton of tools that I could get. Right now I am eyeing the stubby impacts. They have both a 3/8 and a half-inch impact stubby fuel edition. So I might pick one of those up, and the I think the 5 amp hour or 4 amp hour 12 volt batteries, but we'll see how this goes. This is my first Milwaukee power tool, or cordless power tool. I've had drills that were all corded, as well as a hammer drill. So yeah, I've used enough Milwaukee tools to know that they are definitely quality, but this is my first battery powered Milwaukee tool. So let's go ahead and open up the tape. Let's see what we got. So on the side of here, there's the canvas bag it all comes in, so you definitely want to be careful opening the outer box there. I didn't know that, so alright. Nothing in the box. Throw that in the corner. Alright, let's see what we get in our tool. So this is nice. It's stitched into the actual canvas, and this is a canvas material. It's pretty sturdy feeling, and both sides are fully stitched. That's pretty nice. Let's see what we got now. So let's start up here. We got a little product brochure. Ooh, not really little at all, is it? It's a pretty big poster, actually. Should even get the whole thing to fit in the frame. I'll take a look at this later. I'll pull this up nicely. We got a manual for the charger, basic jibber jabber there. Manual for the ratchet. And we have a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. Alright. First off, we got stick light. Let's open this guy up. Like I said, this is my first time opening all this stuff up, so I have no idea what I'm in for here. Basic stuff, blah blah blah. Stick light's pretty cool, actually. It's got a nice feel to it. Looks like it's definitely a glass fiber reinforced plastic. I'm not sure what type. Does have this pretty cool hook top, which you can move and do whatever you have to with it. It's pretty cool. Has a little lock top there. Lock it in. Lock socket. Oh, it's got a tripod mount as well there too. 3 cob LEDs. Looks like they put the whole thing together with Torx fasteners. They definitely don't want you getting back in there. Oh, it's got a little battery meter on the side there too. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Got one of these guys. Like I said, this kit did come with 2 batteries, so that is nice. I can use both my Ratchet right away and my stick light all at the same time. Alright, let's see. There's no test button here, but oh, there we go. And it is really bright. Pretty nice beam pattern as well. It spreads really well. And the weight isn't that bad at all. Little battery meter only lights up when you press the button, so it goes off after a couple of seconds. Press it again, but it does flicker the light. This doesn't have brightness settings, it's just on or off, which, you know, for the most part really isn't that bad. It would have been nicer if there was a magnet. I saw there is a different light that doesn't come in a kit that has a magnet on the back, which would be nice, but you know, for being a freebie thrown in with this kit, yeah, real nice. I'll take it. Pull this guy out. I'll set this off to the corner. Let's see what we got here. This meter I was pretty interested in getting as well, just because I've been in the market for a fluke meter. This is just a voltage meter though. This doesn't do amps or resistance or any of that fun stuff, so unfortunately I will still need to end up buying a fluke, or probably not unfortunately, but fortunately I'll still be able to go and have a need to buy a real nice fluke meter, because I'm tired of the cheapy Home Depot meters and Harbor Freight meters, and you know, they just don't cut it in the real world. So definitely want to get something a little more robust and feature filled. This is, you know, basic meter. It does have a protection up to 600 volts. It does take 2 AAA batteries. Maybe it has some in there already, maybe it doesn't. I guess we'll find out. Looks like you do have to use a screwdriver to get into the battery compartment. It does have a nice belt clip and ears to hold everything. I think it's contactless voltage detection as well too. LED light. And you got your lead inputs in the bottom there. Oh, and yeah, she has batteries right from the get-go. Nice light so you can see what you're doing. Not that bad. Let's open these leads up and see what we got. And this screen is backlit too. You can't really tell with all of my bright lighting, but it is a backlit screen. So yeah, let's hook it up. Got some really nice leads here. Let's see. Oh, these leads are full silicone, it feels. Yeah, they're silicone. Really nice leads. And I'd say about 4 feet. So there you go. And they do have covers on everything, so that's nice. Let's see here. Yeah. There's little plugs in the ends. Usually really nice leads end up with something like that. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this isn't gonna get in down here, but whatever. I do have my these do come off. I do have my power strip next to me here, powering on my camera. I will. These are pretty on there too. It's nice, real nice tight fit. It's and this is supposed to be an auto-ranging, auto voltage detection meter. So let's see. I'm gonna jam this in our power strip here, and it sees that it's 18 volts. Picks up the voltage correctly. This is normal house voltage. It's telling me if it detects something. Pretty nice. It goes, switches back to DC right away. I want to try this with maybe a different battery here. I have a Ryobi battery that has exposed terminals. Let's see what we get with that. Here's my old Ryobi battery. And let's bring this guy front and center here. There we go. Yep, there you go. 18.5 volts. Yeah, it's nice and quick. Detection's solid. It doesn't jump around or seek or anything like that. The screen does light back up once it starts detecting voltage. I wonder, does this do contactless? Let's see. No, doesn't do contactless voltage detection. But for a basic meter, it's pretty good. And I believe this guy does come separately as well too through Milwaukee. I think they're like $50 normally. But yeah, otherwise I'd say definitely a good deal. Put this guy away here. Let's get what we're all here for today. The charger, right? Get to that Ratchet here in a sec. Piece de resistance. So basic Milwaukee M12 charger. Nothing to jump up and down about. Let's make sure that this guy works. Pick this up. Make sure this guy works. There's a pretty chintzy wire tie there. It just keeps on folding up on over itself. So yeah, that's probably the worst part of this whole kit so far. Even this cord is really high quality. It's definitely not silicone coated, but the coating is real nice. The rubber coating, so that's a welcome thing. And standard Milwaukee battery charger. I'll let this guy go here. I'll have some nice fresh batteries for later. And now, let's get to the Ratchet. So Ratchet does fit in here nicely. It has Velcro ties all the way through. The bottom one is not Velcro, it's just elastic. It does have some pretty good heft to it. You can see that the battery is all nice and shiny from the tool wax. Got your battery gauge, little lockout for the handle. Nice satisfying click there. Anvil's nice and compact as well too, which I really like. Like their other tools, give it a little press and you get your battery gauge. And this battery's pretty well spanked out of the box, so I'm gonna definitely make sure both of these are charged before I start messing around with them. But I'll try to definitely have a video up sooner than later on how this new toy of mine performs. But so far I'm pretty happy with it. Do look forward to using this and putting it to good use. May end up with one of the fuel ones later on. One thing I do see, it feels like this is using one less battery than what's supposed to be in here, which I don't think is possible since the circuit would collapse without the third battery in there. But it feels like this is way more hollow than it should be, but it could just be my imagination. I don't know. When one of these ends up biting the dust, I'll definitely make sure. There's some locking tabs over there. I do a tear down on one of these and maybe a rebuild. I am getting into doing rebuilds on some of my Ryobi lithium batteries, so I might do the same with one of these too. Yeah. Milwaukee tool, Brookfield, Wisconsin. Cells were made in Korea or Malaysia, and the pack was actually assembled in China, unfortunately. But it is a 12 volt, 18 watt hour lithium ion battery, 1.5 amp hour. Unfortunately, like most things, all this is made in China by Milwaukee Tool, probably through their contractor TTI. So I'll show you what it ended up here with. Don't forget the bag here. There we go. That guy. Okay. There. So pretty, I'd say a pretty good Friday for me. Again, this was $1.99 at Northern Tool, and I had a coupon as well for $20 gift card. So, yeah, about $179 all in all. Even though the box says $129 or $229, sorry. Just a word of advice is when I went there, they didn't have this on the shelf. I sent somebody on a literal quest to find this for me. They were gone for a good 20 minutes. Yeah, it may not be something that your local Northern Tool stocks normally, or they may have knowledge of, or whatever have you. But I would say go ahead and just do the online order and pick up in the store if you want to save that 20 minutes. Or if you're like me, you like walking around Northern Tool, go ahead, walk in and let them start their wild goose chase, and you go on your own. But yeah, otherwise I think we're all done here for today. If you do have any questions, please feel free to drop them below. Otherwise, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Try to get some more videos up this year. Alright guys, thanks. Till next time.